Next example or example for verification of the property. Now left hand side. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 cos x dx. Now this we are getting sin x pi by 6 pi by 3, and further sin pi by 3 minus sin pi by 6, and this is equal to sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now with right hand side. Pi by 6 pi by 3 cos pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x dx. Now what this becomes? Cos pi by 2 minus x dx, and now this becomes sin x with pi by 6 pi by 3. Now same thing we are getting, one and the same thing, so this is also root 3 minus 1 upon 2, verified.